All right, guys. Well, I miss you guys. I'm the only one here doing a recording for you. I hope you are doing very well and you are staying indoor. Okay. The coronavirus is a big deal, so don't joke with it. So today I'm doing a simple video for you guys. We'll be giving you packets this week, and I want you guys to work on it at your own timing. I'll give the deadlines over there. We still have to grade you guys, so I hope you work on it whilst you are home. Okay, get some 2 hours or 1 hour to work on it each day. Okay, try and do something on your own. Okay, so the first thing we are looking at today is kites. Okay, I hope you guys know kite. When I was young in Africa, we used to have kite and we throw it into the air and then it goes and flies and everything. Okay, so we want to know some of the properties of kite. Okay, so the properties of kite. Okay, properties. This is actually a T. Okay, properties of kite. Okay, so we have a kite this way. Okay, does it seem familiar to you? Okay, so this is a diagonal, right? And this is also another diagonal. Okay, so if you have a kite of this form, the angle that is formed in this place, okay, is perpendicular. Okay, so the diagonals form a perpendicular line. So diagonals form a perpendicular line. Okay, right? So they form a perpendicular. That means the angle formed over there is a 90. So if this is a 90, this will be a 90, and this will be a 90, and that will also be a 90. Another property of a kite is this. Okay, oh man, this is beautiful. Okay, this is not a good idea. So I have this, okay, and I have the longer side of the kite. Join these together, right? Now, okay, I don't want to join that particular line. Okay, I want these to join together. Okay, so the length, this length over here is congruent to this length. I mean, they are the same. Okay, and this one, this longer one is also the same as this one. So it means the lengths are congruent. This side, the size, okay, the size are. Remember how we write congruent in school? Yes. That means they are the same. Okay, that's all for kite today. Okay, I want to keep the video simple. We'll be doing a few examples very soon, right? Okay, so we're good with the kites. Now, let's go to another thing I want you to look at is called the trapezoid. Okay, we're supposed to start this before coronavirus decided that we stay at home. So trapezoids. Now, so remember this? This is how a trapezoid looks like. Oops. So this, showing this one, and it looks this way. Okay. All right. So this line over here is parallel to this one, and this is called the base. Okay. This is also called the base, and basically you can call this the leg, and this is another leg. Okay. Basically, that's what a trapezoid is. Now, there's a special type of trapezoid that I want us to look at, okay? And that trapezoid, that special type of trapezoid is called the isosceles trapezoid, okay? Remember, we have isosceles triangle. Then in isosceles triangle, we said that two sides are equal. In isosceles trapezoid, we are expecting that two of the sides should be equal. Now, I have a parallel line this way. Now, this side is this way, and that side is this way. It's still a trapezoid because these two lines are parallel, but the legs are, this leg and these legs are the same. They are congruent. Okay. So legs are congruent. Okay. Yeah, legs are congruent. Okay. So if this is 8, this is 8. Okay, the length over there is 8. This is 8. This is still the base. Like in the first case, this is still the base. Okay. Now another thing we have to know is that, okay, so let me still use this one. If the legs are congruent, then the diagonals, okay, from here to here, and from there to there is also the same. So if I mean that if this diagonal is 8, then this diagonal will also be 8. Do you see that? Okay, so the diagonals are also congruent. What other thing you have to know is that now let's talk about the angles. Okay, the angle at this leg and the angle over here, okay, this one plus this one are supplementary. Do you guys remember what is supplementary? That means that this angle here and this angle on this side add up to 180. Okay, they are supplementary. So leg angles, let me say leg angles is equal to 180. That's what I'm saying. That means that this and this also, think about it. If this and this is 180, this and this is also 180. Okay, right? Basically, that's it. So this is a trapezoid, okay? And those are the properties of a trapezoid. Now, we want to use some example in the second video because I want to keep the video short. We'll be doing some examples. So watch the second video and we'll do some example for you to know what I'm talking about, okay? Bye. See you soon, actually.